Yeah, it is.
I don't think she's going to go back out there now. She's covered in snow.
You'd be surprised.
Oh,
Daddy comes up here on the porch and he just pushes the snow out underneath, and she sometimes goes after that too.
okay, hold on. Oh yeah, clear this off.
Yeah, see?
See what happened?
Tacking that shovel, get you in trouble. Gracie. Gracie. Gracie, are you going to get it? See, watch her. Oh, don't be so yappy. Shh, shh, shh.
Want to try it? Is it recording?
Yeah.
See your button?
Yeah.
The only thing you can't do on that phone is zoom in, but another feature that I need to get back.
He's helping.
You gonna push this along with me?
Gracie, you're noisy.
Okay. You can go. I don't want you to stay out here too long.